It's July 18th, and Dad and Preston and Joshua's somewhere. There he is. Swimming in the pool.
Okay.
Preston somewhere. Preston, you show us your cannonball? Big time into splashing lately. Preston will do a cannonball for you. He learned how to do a cannonball in the big pool yesterday. Ready? Go for it. It wasn't a cannonball.
Cannonball.
You do it again? Do a real one this time.
You gotta get the legs up, Preston.
What? You gotta grab your knees.
Tuck into a ball in the air, so you. When you hit the. There you go. All right.